If there's one weapon that's really caught our attention in Armored Core 6, it's this, the PB-33M Ashmead Pile Bunker. Ever since it was shown in the trailer, it's been nothing short of iconic. The one that comes with the collector's edition is pretty nicely sized, but there's no way we're using this on a kit bash. Good thing Kotobukiya makes this, the MSG Weapon Spiral Crusher. Fairly large with opening claws, it also comes with a wind-up motor to spin. Just a bit hefty for high grades though. For something a little smaller, the 30-minute mission's Arm Unit Rifle Large Claw is perfect. Here we're going to attach the claw to the mid part, but we'll have to cut away this arm first. You don't have to do this, but I like the details, so I'm going to cement it on backwards. Looks good, but it's still missing the iconic spike. First, I'll cut away these claw teeth so they don't get in the way. Next, we take a runner and see what'll fit in the center part of the claw. Just make sure to cut enough length to work with. Now we take this basic pin vise set and see what diameter the runner we cut is, and use it to drill a hole in the center area of the claw. Looks like it fits perfectly. Now we just have to sand down any protrusions and make a shank out of the tip. Please be careful here. Just clip away the desired length and put it in the hole that we drilled earlier. Now you've got a lightweight pile bunker that fits most high-grade and 30-minute mission-sized kits. Hopefully Kotobukiya announces a Nightfall model kit soon so we can get a fully functional Ashmead. But at least there are a couple of affordable alternatives on the market. Thanks for watching! We need a Steel Haze model kit too.